Hello, besties, especially my lovely ladies turning in. How are you all doing today? I hope the feeling is good, staying hydrated, and giving yourself grace no matter what kind of day you're having. And if you're not feeling 100%, that's okay too. I want you to know the feeling is mutual here. We are all navigating life the best way we can, and I'm sending you a virtual hug. So welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, I'm really glad you stopped by. Today we're going to do something soft, slow and simple, just a little moment for ourselves. I'm going to be working on my hair, nothing too complicated. It's actually a very simple, friendly beginner hairstyle, something anyone can try even if you are not that good with hair. And just to be so clear about everything, this isn't a tutorial. I'm not a professional hairstyle. I'm just your girl showing you how to get through a hairstyle that makes me feel a little more put together. We are going for something elegant but stress-free. That's the vibe for today. So right now I'm starting by parting my hair into two sections, and I've found doing this makes the whole process smoother. It just gives me a better grip and helps me stay organized while working through my coils and curls. Let me tell you, when you're working with natural hair, sectioning is everything. You need that structure or you'll feel like you're fatting your hair the whole way. I always like to take my time here, no rush. I like to feel the texture of my hair, notice the softness, the growth. It's such a grounding moment for me. Sometimes I think hair care is a form of therapy. Like I can feel when you have been too rough with myself just by the way I handle my hair. So today I'm trying to be extra gentle. Now that my hair is sectioned, I'm going in with some gel. I'm using a generous amount because I really want a sleek, smooth finish. You know when your hair just lays down perfectly and it's shiny and neat? Yeah, that's the goal for today. There's something about a clean, sleek style that just makes you feel like you've got yourself together, your life together, even if it's just for a day. I've learned to enjoy this process. Years ago, doing my hair used to feel like someone sending you on an errand while you want to just sit on your couch and watch your favorite movie. But I'd look to other girls online with their perfect hair and feel like I was doing something wrong. But these days, I just focus on what works for me. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to feel good on my own skin and in my own hair. Alright, both sections are done now. I'm tying everything together. Again, I don't have a proper hairband, so I'm improvising a bit. But honestly, it's working. There's something powerful about figuring things out on spot. Like, you don't always need the perfect setup to create something beautiful. As I walk through this section, I want to just chat with you a little bit. Do you ever feel like doing your hair brings up memory? Like suddenly you're gone back in that little chair in your home when your mom or sister was combing your hair and you're holding your ears, hoping they go easy on you. Those are such special memories. Painful sometimes, yes, but also filled with so much care and love. I think for many of us, especially as Black women, our hair is more than just hair. It's history, it's culture, it's expression, and even on days when we just want a simple clean look, it carries so much meaning there. I remember the first time I did my hair. It wasn't perfect. It was messy, but I was so proud. I look in the mirror and thought, wow, did I do that? That's the feeling I hope you get from this video. Not that your hair has to be perfect. Not that you need best gel or tools or accessories, but that you can show up to yourself just like this with what you have, with what you got, and still feel beautiful and look amazing. So I'm just smoothing everything down now, taking my time, brushing slowly, making sure the gel is spread evenly. Sometimes I play podcast while doing this, or light up a candle, or just enjoy the silence. It's like giving my mind a break. No pressure, no deadlines, just me, my hair, and a little bit of peace. yeah, this is the final look. Clean, sleek, simple, and most importantly, it feels like me. If you try this style, I hope it gives you a moment of calm too, a moment to slow down and connect with yourself. Before I go, I just want to remind you, you don't have to look like anyone else. You don't have to rush your journey. You don't need expensive tools or a perfect hands. Just start where you are. Be kind to yourself and love your hair the way it deserves. Thank you for spending time with me. I hope this video felt like a warm hug. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you on the next one. Stay soft, stay grounded, stay you. Bye.